Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the August 2025 Beauty Heroes box. I unfortunately saw a spoiler that it is with Live Botanical, but I am so excited about the fact that it's Live Botanical. Of course, I wish I hadn't seen the spoiler, but it's been making me wonder what products are in here, because if you didn't know, Live Botanical is my favorite skincare brand, and one of the very few that I actually order from like separately outside of Beauty Heroes. I tend to try to purchase their seasonal releases and different stuff. I've used a whole bunch of their products, and I was trying to think what would be exciting if it were in here. I need a new ambient moisture liquid. That's probably my favorite moisturizer that they have so far. When I was scrolling through Instagram briefly, and Beauty Heroes does a thing where they show like little smears or drops of the products before they tell you which brand it is, and people guess on what the products are and what the brand is. And I saw a little smear and I tried to like quickly go by, but it looked like it could be the Sanctuary Barrier Balm, but we shall see. And if I already have some of the products, I might go grab my open one instead of opening a brand new one. So we shall see. Let's see what's in here. So excited. All right. Ooh, okay, we got two products, looks like. All right. Let's see here. We have the Solar Return Revitalizing Essence, which I do have a little one of, but I may have finished it. I can't recall, or I may still have it. I'd have to look at my little project pan. And then we have the Renewing Concentrate, which honestly, I don't know if I've ever used. I don't think that's the one I have like a little one of. Let me go grab my products and see if these are what I have. Okay, good news. So the Solar Return Revitalizing Essence, I have owned a little one of. It comes in this box, but I finished it in April, so I haven't used it for some time. That's what the beautiful box looks like. They have really pretty little designs on it. And then I thought maybe this little one I had, this is the Sanctuary Barrier Balm, totally different than the Renewing Concentrate, which is in the box. So when I saw the little like smear, I thought that it might be that, but it's not. So let's talk about these two products. It's a value of $132. And first we're gonna talk about the Solar Return Revitalizing Essence. It is 50 milliliters for $64. It says a gentle yet effective alternative to retinol. Solar Return is designed to smooth, firm, and visibly brighten without irritation or sun sensitivity. This silky essence absorbs effortlessly, delivering a hydrated, elastic feel that leaves skin noticeably more radiant. An array of vibrant botanicals works in harmony to support renewal and restore luminosity. The feather-light texture wears beautifully alone or layered beneath oil or moisturizer. Scented only with chamomile and lemon balm hydrosols, it conjures the feeling of a sun-drenched garden, offering both results and ritual in one luminous step. All right, so this is an essence, as is in the title. That's what it looks like. Gentle scents. It's definitely like a nice gel-like feeling. That's what it looks like. So normally if you do a cleanser and then you do a toner and then your essence, that's the order I do it. So this would be like the third step in my routine. A lot of the essences I have right now are sprays or like a pat, pat, pat. This one will be more like almost like a pump, like kind of serum like sort of. So anyways, that's what it looks like. And it just has like a little fresh, like barely there scent, in my opinion. The powerhouse ingredients, or the featured ingredients, are mothbean, which is a gentle botanical retinol alternative that promotes renewal and elasticity. Peptide complex made up of quinoa, pea, pomegranate, orange flower, firms, brightens, and improves skin tone over time. We have snow mushroom and beta glucan, deliver hydration and calm while reinforcing the skin barrier. And niacinamide supports moisture retention and enhances luminosity. So I look forward to using this in my skincare routine for the month of August. It says the ritual is on lightly dampened skin. Start with 1 to 2 pumps of the Solar Return Revitalizing Essence and apply by pressing into the skin, covering your face, neck, and chest, allowing as much of the gel to settle into the skin before applying your moisturizer and or facial oil of choice. So that's that. And then this is a product I've never used before from Live Botanical. This is the Renewing Concentrate, 30 milliliters for $68. It says this lush balm to oil concentrate melts instantly into skin, offering a cushion of moisture and comfort after time in the elements. With each application, lackluster skin appears more nourished and visibly replenished. This is what it looks like. Encapsulated date seed, CoQ10, and lupine extracts combine with lipid-rich sea buckthorn, pomegranate seed, and kupaku butter to deeply moisturize, while an oat CO2 extract calms sensitive skin, inflammation, and over-sun exposure. A full-spectrum bouquet of rose, chamomile, and lavender calms and brings you back to center. The recently updated smooth gel-to-balm texture glides across skin, creating a radiant, dewy finish. Look how pretty it looks when you open it. I love the color. That's really pretty. All right, let's see. So this is what you'd be using during your moisturizing step. That's what it looks like. There we go. And I'm gonna put it on. So what do they say? A balm to oil concentrate. So it starts off as a balm, kind of turns into an oil. And they said it's recently updated smooth gel to balm texture. First they say it's a balm to oil concentrate. Oh, and then they say the texture is gel to balm. Okay, sorry that my wrist wasn't there. Again, a nice subtle, like fresh, clean scent. Smells a little bit floral. That one's gonna need a little time to absorb in. And I just used like a little dab of it. And the ritual is apply as the final step in your skincare ritual. While skin is damp, massage in a pea-size amount, taking your time to work in the concentrate. Be sure to include your neck, chest, and pat gently around the delicate eye area. It says, notes, formula is sensitive to heat. Melting can cause the creation of soft butter beads. This does not limit efficacy. The little butter beads thing happened to me in the Rooted Balancing Balm I think they have. And it actually bugged me a lot because like I'd be putting the moisturizer on and there was little hard beads throughout it, and that kind of bugged me. It wasn't any fault of theirs, just I guess like part of like temperature and stuff. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this. The featured ingredients are full spectrum rose, chamomile, and lavender, which soothe, regenerate, and restore calm to sensitive skin. Sea buckthorn and date seed extract, antioxidant-rich botanicals that brighten and firm. CoQ10 extract energizes and protects from environmental stressors. And lupine seed extract provides peptides to improve elasticity, promoting a refreshed complexion. So those are our 2 products for the month of August. I love seeing Live Botanical at Beauty Heroes. It's pretty exciting. And I like to try to follow. I do subscribe to Live Botanical's email, so I like to know when they're having their seasonal releases and like special things like for Christmas time or like the holidays like Black Friday. They always have like featured kind of like special products and stuff. So I've always got my eye on those. So very exciting to see my favorite brand featured. I will be so curious to see what you guys think about this brand. I just really love them. So with I have, of course, other videos that I want to make, but we've been busy with summer. The month of August, we're going away 1 week, we're home again, then we're going away another week, and then it's September. So I think also that like I'm starting to have a little bit more time to myself in the evening lately. Actually, that's probably because I don't have the kids' activities like I do during the school year. But I would like to be able to film more videos if possible, but at least I'm trying to keep up with this monthly one of unboxing the Beauty Heroes box at the minimum. But please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I would love to chat with you in the comments below about Live Botanical or anything you would like to chat about. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye.